Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, we're going to be reviewing FlyPay Loan platform, which of course is one of the best loan apps in Nigeria today. And we are going to be looking out to what are the benefits, which of course we can benefit from this app. And there is one thing I would like to tell you at the end of this video, which of course will let you know if a loan app is actually legit or not. And based on what Google have been carrying out these days, they kindly said that every loan apps will be fact checked. And if there is any loan app that requests for more information than it used to be or than what they should ask for, that kind of loan app will be removed from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So that is just the new update, and that is what I get from some blogs website, which of course I browse through, and that is one of the great news to everyone who is actually been fearing about getting a loan from any loan apps. But then that kind of loan apps is requesting for more information which is not supposed to be, or which the kind of person that want to borrow a loan don't want to give out. So with that, people are limited to borrowing loan from any kind of loan apps online. So but then in this video, I would like to tell you that if you see any loan apps that is not legit, it's not possible for that kind of loan app to available on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. But then if you see any loan app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store, if the loan app is not new on the platform, so definitely you should trust that kind of loan app. So that's just by the way. So let's try to check on FlyPay and what the apps or the loan platform literally are for you and everyone who actually want to borrow a loan online. So the loan app claims to be available on Google Play Store, on App and Apple App Store. So we'll also check that and see how many people trust this app, and then we can see how to go about it. So the app also claims that you can get a loan of up to 600,000 naira with flexible payment and no collateral at all, based on what I have researched about, and the website is actually unique and based on what I have seen so far. So we'll also look into the partnership. I think they partner with 3 platforms, which is Zenith Bank, Paystack, and Transsion. So these are the partners we partner with, and if you have any queries, you can also reach out to them through the customer support at support@flypay.ng, and this is their official phone number, which of course you can call them if you have any issue. Then you can also scroll down to see if they have terms and conditions. I've not seen that, but then you can also see their social media section here, so you can reach out to them on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook as well. And this is their official address in Lagos Island, Victoria. So you can also visit them if of course you are very much interested in visiting them physically. And this is their registration number from federal government, and then this is their so this is their they said the minimum maximum amount credit limit is 50,000 naira, but then I believe if you get started with them, you also see how to increase that for yourself. So you can get a loan online for up to 600,000 as they claim. So they also have article combined on their website. So you can also increase the limit, so you can see get credit limit, so you can also increase that for sure. So they also have another section which is FlyPay flexible loan repayment app in Nigeria, which is also great. And then this is their official app on Google Play Store, and then we also check the one on Apple App Store. So they already have about 50,000 downloads, and the reviews so far is getting close to 1,000, and the overall rating is 4.0. Maybe that's actually low based on how they are just new, but then I believe as time goes on that will keep on increasing. So they just updated the app last month, but literally I don't know when exactly the app was launched on Google Play Store, but then I think you should check them out. So these are the reviews so far, which of course you can also look into if in case you need a loan. And this is the most recent review that I've just seen, which is on February 6, 2023, and that's like 5 days to when I'm making this video. So the experience is not pleasing at all. Since I downloaded the app, I haven't been able to log in. Each time I try to log in, I am told the system error. This is 2 days I have been trying to log in, so I have uninstalled and install, but nothing has changed. I can't log in at each time I'm trying. I'm told system error. So this is what this particular user is experiencing currently. And this is another review on that same day, which is February 6th. It says it's annoying after downloading to it. After that, it's trying to input my phone number and it's not it's saying error again. So I have uninstalled and download it multiple of time, but it's still saying the same thing, error. So but then, like I always say, that you should check on the review to see what people actually saying about the app. But then if you also look at the other side, you also see people also those people also have something to say, just like this one that gave 5-star review. But then there is no harm in trying, so you can try them out as long as they are not kind of apps that will definitely tell you to invest your money and then you won't save your money again. So let's check on the Apple app and see what they are doing there. So this is another platform, and based on how limited most loan apps are, you'll see that most loan apps that are available on Apple App Store on Google Play Store are not available on Apple App Store, because Apple is very strict than Google Play Store. So you'll see the different. You also see that the logo is icon is very different, you can see, but then they are still the same loan platform, which of course you can see this section here. You can get a loan of up to 600,000, fast payout, low interest rate, and convenient repayment offer or platform, which of course you can trust. So you can look into them and let me know if this loan app actually work for you. So if you are very much interested in getting a loan in Nigeria today, FlyPay should be one of the loan app which you should look into and see if they will be very much interested in giving you a loan of your choice, and then you can secure a loan for yourself. So this is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be very much happy to reply to your request as fast as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.